I'm asked to talk a little bit about our program at the University of Tennessee, and of course I'm associated with the main UT campus, which is in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I direct the Center for Transportation Research, which is the university's focal research center looking at transportation-related issues, including rail, highway, waterway, aviation, public transit, and even pedestrian and bicycles. So we are very interested in rail. We've had a long tradition at our university of railway-related education and academic curriculum, both in engineering and in the College of Business Administration. I'm a civil engineer by training, so most of my interaction is with the civil engineering department and with my colleagues in the College of Engineering. We recently have completed a new civil engineering building called the John Tickle Building, and we have a large high-base structures area with reaction wall and floor, and we also have a test pit where we backfilled it with soil and ballast, and we have track panel in there for doing various types of tests on track materials. We have an outdoor bridge test facility where we've done some railroad-related research addressing bridge reliability. So we're very happy to have these new facilities. We are working, and it's a student-led project, so it takes time, but we're working on building a locomotive simulator. And we have an automobile simulator that's used in our research program, and we'd like to have a rail simulator to complement that for looking at human factors type issues and maybe even doing some training. We do have one class that's dedicated to railway engineering in our civil engineering curriculum, and we have rail-focused content in a number of classes both at the graduate and undergraduate level, but only one that focuses specifically on rail. We do have a rail component in our public transportation class as well in engineering. And unfortunately, we used to have a lot of rail-related classes in our business administration school, but now the focus there is on supply chain management, not individual transportation modes. So the expertise we had in rail is going to have to be rebuilt in that area. But we do collaborate a lot with faculty in both in business school and the engineering school. We're also very involved with K-12 education activities, largely focused on STEM, and we have numerous summer activities for high school students and middle school students. And while none of those is focused specifically on rail, they are focused on transportation, and they typically will have some rail content as well as content on other transportation modes. And we also have done a number of programs to share STEM education with the teachers, and those programs also expose the teachers to rails.